The Koch videos are sponsored by the Little Rail House of Wellingborough. Hello you beautiful lot, and welcome to today's video. How are we doing, Leanne? All right?
Hello everyone.
And I've got a little something to show you all. So I've been looking in Wellingborough at the London and North Western Railway. Now I've been towards Ditchford and I found where the old bridge that crossed over the Nene was. Remainders of it are just in here. And I also found where the railway went under the Midland Railway as well. So I found that bit, but I haven't actually been down to the other side until the other day. So I found something, and I don't think many people know about it. There are some, but not many, and it is what I consider to be abandoned. Some of you might know, but I'm going to take you for the journey, and Leanne, because Leanne hasn't seen it, and I'm going to show you another relic of the London and North West Railway here in Wellingborough.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie of something between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. See, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gambling. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up.
Oh look, the white willow has presented by the Nene Valley Project in National Tree Week 1994 to celebrate the launch of Wind in the Willows campaign. Okay, cool. I'll check that out online. There you go, rabbit hole.
But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandon. I give myself. Take me. Do anything you like. So, That's quite mad, because you see, it's letting things get out of control. All sensible people keep things in control. So, actually, therefore, the course of wisdom, what is really sensible, is to let go, is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies sanity.
Interesting characters, but some of them are all hidden. I wonder why you all want to dress always the same. The same hats, the same coats. I'm sure all of you are interesting and have wonderful things about you. But looking at you in the street, you all look so much the same. Express yourselves better.
Usually you will not be able to get down here because this stuff that's down here is hogweed, and it's alright to touch now once it's dead, but when that stuff's alive, if you get that sap on your skin, you will come up in the most horrendous, most horrific big red blob. A little bit like that, but no. Watch it, there's glass there, darling. There's glass, watch it.
Yeah. I remember when we done the moon bank and I touched one of them and I got really bad spots.
You did, didn't you? It was quite bad.
It was really itchy.
Yeah, the moon bank. I'll link the video. I'll link that video. You'll see it at the top here. Cool, we're getting somewhere now. Ooh, out. And you see that row of trees? That there is the railway line. And my first time exploring it, I tell you what, I'll show you that video quick. Oh dear. Well, it looks like it's getting worse. Go this way. Go this way then. Fine. Oh look, filled with water. Foot down a rabbit hole. Thank you. Keep going then. Oh, spike. Ooh. Get off me. God, that's a mission. This is why Leanne can't come along on this one. You know, never know. One day I might get down with a jungle blade and kind of cut a path through for you all. But still no signs of anything. I bet there's something along here somewhere. There's got to be. Yeah, so as you can tell, that's quite horrific, isn't it? So, yeah. And then I started having a little wander about, and I've noticed one of the fishermen had come down and basically kicked all these bits away. So we could get down. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Fisherman. Oh, there's the weir. Big boulders. You got one. And these are real good for tinder as well. Make good fires with this stuff. It burns in seconds, gets you an ember. Look at that. What do you reckon then, Leanne? How's that for some old relicness? It's awesome, isn't it? And look at that. Proper iron bridge. Tree growing out of it. Oh, this is a bit spiky. Oh, Bum, bum, bum. Look at that. Wellingsborough's abandoned bridge. And you can tell there was two railways that went across, so you would have had one for one way and one for the other. That's awesome, isn't it? And look at the rotting on it, though.
I think it would be better if you could get a train to like a village now.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
before you could, now you can't.
No, that's it. But you can get buses, but it's yeah. No one wants the buses. No one wants to ride the bus. Everybody wants to ride a train. You know, I'm gonna try and get up there. Oh yeah, awesome! Look at that. Oh look, there's a. Is that a switch or is that a brace? Oh, that looks like a big brace. That's awesome. There's one over there as well. You see the way the tree's growing up out of it. That's awesome. I mean, look at this thing. That's a full-grown tree. Yeah, so A45, Wellingborough Locks. And all my life I never knew this was here. Awesome. Better get down. Yeah, I'll tell you what, babe. If I pass you my camera, you can film me going down.
I can't get across there, can I?
Oh, you'll be able to get across. You'll be able to get on here, because that's solid. But I won't get down there.
Why are you going down?
Because we'll go different and then come underneath. That camera, babe. Thank you very much. Oh, let's have a look. Oh wow. Completely different. That looks a treat. I mean, look at the rivets on it. Proper ironwork. I mean, that wall there, that's falling apart, look. And what's this one like? Oh, yeah. Hey, look, what's that? What's that? Hey, Leanne, do you want to come go round a minute? You're right, here, check this out, Leanne. Look at that. That's a train wheel. It's off one of the trucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Well weathered. Of course, that bit just broke straight off. That's awesome. Well, what do you reckon though, Leanne? Yeah. Another piece of the lost railway here in Wellingborough. Great exploration. I so wanted to bring you here. So wanted to. Part of me, part of my heritage. Anyway, that'll do, I suppose, won't it?
Yeah.
If you like the video, then hit the like and subscribe button for me.
And we can let you know about the cotch.
Peace, love and light.
With a touch of Northants unity.